Hi, my name is nikkishifter, and I am here to talk to you today about graphic organizers. Graphic organizers can be used with English language learners as a tool to help assimilate information. A graphic organizer is a way to use a chart to organize data or information. One great use of a chart or a graphic organizer is an example for first graders. First graders are responsible for learning the parts of a story, which include the setting, the characters, the problem, and the solution, and then also the theme of the story. And a great way to help students to organize their thoughts about this is by using a graphic organizer. And here's an example. So you can see there is a place to write the setting, the characters, the theme, the problem, and the solution to the problem. And so you hand this to students and you can walk them through practicing it once together as a class. And then a great way to use this chart is to have students work in pairs or even as a cooperative group of 4 if you have pods. And you can have students fill this out as a group and then share out to the whole class. Another one that you can use for the parts of the story, again this is for first graders, is that they learn to tell the beginning and the middle and the end of a story. And this is really important for comprehension. The reason that helps for ELL students is it allows them to have a visual way to learn both the parts of the story and then also to write out the actual words and to discuss the words and the vocabulary that goes along with that, so that we have the literate vocabulary like beginning, middle, and end, and then we're talking about the parts of a story. So here's a chart that you can use with first graders that shows the parts of a story, and it shows the beginning, middle, and end. And this actually has some prompting questions on it as well. How did the story begin? What happened in the middle? How did the story end? So you can see that this would be helpful for students to be able to have something to look at and to organize their thoughts by putting ideas into the columns. And those are 2 great ways to use graphic organizers. Thanks very much.